Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer Google Drive to another account, step by step. In this video, you will learn simple and effective ways to move your files safely between accounts. Step 1. Open Google Drive in your browser and log into the account that currently holds the files you want to transfer. This is important because you can only share or move files from the account where they are stored. Step 2. Select the files or folders you want to transfer by clicking on them. If you want to select multiple files, hold the Ctrl key on Windows or CMD key on Mac while clicking. This lets you move many files at once instead of one by one. Step 3. Right-click on the selected files and choose Share. Enter the email address of the Google account you want to transfer the files to, and make sure the permission is set to Editor. This is necessary so the other account has full access to manage the files. Step 4. Log into the second Google account. Open the shared files from the Shared with Me section and click on Editor. This step allows you to access all files shared from the first account without losing any data. Step 5. Finally, click on Transfer Ownership to make the files fully owned by the new account. This ensures that the second account has complete control and the first account can remove its access if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.